In this video, we will learn how to use tasks in New Outlook. So let's start. Open your New Outlook, and here the left hand side have some icon. Just click on the To Do Microsoft icon to create your tasks. Okay. Now you can create here tasks easily. You can see here the some tab. The first is a My Day. Just click on the My Day. When you click on the My Day, you can see here the some suggestion option also available. Just click on the suggestion and you can see all the recently emails which are available in your Outlook. Just click on the plus sign to add your My Day tasks. You can see here the task is added on one click only. When task is complete, just click on it. The task is showing in completed with the category, completed category. Okay, I just close this, and here you can see the view also have the grid view and list view. Just click on the list view. You can see the all tasks you are in list view. Okay, completed tasks here. You can add tasks here. Just click on this plus icon to add tasks. You can set the add the due date also, today, tomorrow, next week, and pick up the date from calendar also here. And here the reminder you can set, and third one you can set the repeat. If you want to set the repeat these tasks, you can it. Okay, after this setting is done, click on the add option and you can create here tasks easily. Okay, in second tab is the important tab, and here only important tasks show you. Those are mentioned on the star. Okay, and third tab is a plan. In plan tab have all tasks which are planned is already, and fourth one is assigned to me. So this task is assigned to you only, which are available in here the list format, list view. Okay, so in here the flag emails also tab available. In flag email tab, all emails showing which are flag in your Outlook. Okay, in tasks you can see here the all tasks which are completed and which are not completed yet. Okay, here you can create the new group also. Just click on this create group icon and just enter the group name. So I just enter here, and you can create here group, and you can add here your tasks in your group. Okay, and here the sort option also available. You can sort with the important due date, added by my day, alphabetically you can sort here also. So here the group option also, you can categorize your tasks with the group by category option. Okay, just click on this three dot. You see here the print list. Just click on the print list option and click on the print to print your the tasks list. Okay, you can see here the all tasks you mentioned in your print. You can download in PDF also, and you can add here your printer and print your tasks list. Okay, so this is a way you can use the tasks in new Outlook. So hope you understand. If you like, please subscribe. Thank you so much.